Today we'll be flying to Japan to celebrate New Year's in the most populous city on Earth, Tokyo. But that's not all, because this is the start of a trip of a lifetime. We'll be solo traveling to 5 different countries in Asia, so make sure you stay tuned, because you're not going to want to miss a single episode. This is Getaway. Okay, buddies, it's 4 a.m. We got Aki here giving us the ride. Let's go. Whew. It's 4:45. My plane leaves in an hour and 15-ish minutes. We're a little late. I slept through both my alarms, but can't believe I'm making it. And oh my gosh, that was a close call. See you at the airport. We made it to the airport, baby. Pretty stoked. Just have about an hour till our flight, and then we're on our way to San Francisco. Okay guys, we're at the gate. I just went and I got us a upgrade. So always ask, worth an ask. We got a whole aisle to ourselves. Our journey begins in Japan, where we'll make the most of our 10 days here. After exploring the vibrant city of Tokyo, we'll hop on a bullet train to Kyoto and Osaka, with stops at Mount Fuji and Hakone along the way. So be sure to stay tuned and hit that subscribe button, because you're not going to want to miss a single thrilling episode. My cousin lives in Tokyo and would be out of town, so I'd be staying at her place. But with my flight being delayed, there wouldn't be a concierge, and I'd have to wait for someone to let me in.
The next station is Otachimachi, JY4. The doors on the left side.
We're in Tokyo. Gotta make it to the apartment, try and get in. We shall see. I'm gonna have to wait for someone to buzz us in. I'd really not like to get an apartment, or rather a hotel right now. It'd be pretty expensive, but we'll see. Oh, it's so stoked right now. Sorry for the bad audio, but I made it. You'll never believe. So I was waiting at the entrance for like 10-15 minutes, and then first people out were the friends of my family, my cousin's place that I'm staying at, so it just worked out great. So I got to meet them, and I got my keys. Let's do it. So stoked to not be in a hotel tonight. Whew. Let's check out this apartment. They're moving right now, so should be a little dirty, but I'm stoked. Friends, we have made it. We're in the apartment. Check this out. Open this up. Oh. Holy crap. I don't know if you can see it, like Tokyo Tower is out that away. This sure beats a hotel. Oh my goodness. How freaking cool is that? Wow. Let's do the apartment tour. We got a nice bed with some nice welcome stuff. Let's turn on all these. Look at this place. They're mid-move, but man, oh man, how cool. Well, I think I'm gonna settle down, put my stuff away, maybe take a shower. It's New Year's, so it's like 7 p.m. right now. Probably gonna go to Shibuya crossing. That's like that big famous crossing, so pretty stoked on that. We'll see you soon. Oh, look at this bathroom. This is so cool. And it's got the toilet in a separate area. This is sort of like the wash area. And then you come in here, it's a whole separate room with a big drainage area. That's where you control the hot water heater to save on power. But like, you have this whole space. This is so sick. I'm gonna enjoy that after a long flight. Okay, mostly unpacked. I just wanted to take a sec, check out this cool money. These are the thousands, the 5,000s, and the 10,000s. If you hold up to the light, you can see the little dude. I love foreign money. We'll see how much of this we end up using. Probably all of it. All right, friends. Pretty much got settled, ready to take my my shower. But you guys are gonna love this. Check this out. This restroom. It's got one of them fancy toilets. It's probably like halfway to the super smart computer ones you see. I don't know what these say, but it looks like it's got a bidet built in. And when I sat down on it, it's all heated. Oh my gosh, I am stoked. Gonna take a nice little bathroom break, Japanese style. All right, I'm all showered up. I'm starving, so I'm gonna go to the local 7-Eleven, grab some snacks, and then probably head to Shibuya. I got about 3.5 hours till New Year's. Maybe I just get some sushi, go to a bar. I don't know. I'll see you then, though. Now, I should mention that what we'll be celebrating today is Gregorian New Year's, not Lunar New Year's. So it's not as big of a deal in Japan, and it's more of a family holiday. There'll be more Westerners out, but it should still be fun. Oh, it's 4 a.m. Tokyo. Just had an awesome freaking New Year's. Met some Australians. For those who don't know, I went to school in Melbourne growing up. Met some people from Melbourne, really hit it off. Just such nice people. This is what it's all about, baby. Meeting really cool people in foreign lands and just bonding over our mutual love of traveling and all these other things. It was just so good. Let me cross here. Oh, Tokyo at night. City never sleeps. It's like crazy how active the subway was. I was pretty surprised. You get on the subway at 4 a.m. and it's packed. I mean, it's New Year's, but it was really cool to see. I'm gonna sleep all night though, pretty jet lag. See ya tomorrow.